Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using CreditWise identity and credit monitoring step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the CreditWise website. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an account, select Login instead. For new users, fill in your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password includes both letters and numbers for security. After entering your information, click Continue. You will be prompted to enter additional personal details. Provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is necessary for identity verification purposes. Next, input your current address, including the zip code. Click Continue to move on to the next step. Now, review the terms and conditions before accepting them. Once accepted, you will need to verify your identity. CreditWise may ask you several security questions based on your credit history. Answer these questions to the best of your ability. If your identity is successfully verified, you will be directed to your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. On your dashboard, locate the Credit Monitoring section. Activate this feature to start receiving alerts about your credit report. You can also set up identity theft protection in this area. For ongoing credit insights, explore the tools provided by CreditWise. Regularly check your credit score displayed on the dashboard. Utilize the educational resources available to understand your credit better. Make sure to review your alerts and notifications frequently. This will help you stay informed about any changes to your credit report. For added security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will provide an additional layer of protection for your account. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using CreditWise for monitoring your identity and credit. Remember to keep your information updated for the best protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.